Hi, I am a vintage radio restorer. So, this is my new workshop. I was trying to get a good energy meter. I have a CVT and isolation transformer and normally a good multimeter, but I wanted to get a Variac with digital energy meter. So, I went for a normal Variac meter, which is locally made, where I can get a good support. And this is a basic one with minimal features. It doesn't have on or switch, all that thing. Plus, the housing is very crude. So I had to rig up a box with MCB for protection, and then I had to rig up the entire thing with the energy meter. The energy meter is from Peace Fair, which many of people use. I've seen on the YouTube, and this is the setup. These two switches are for the input and output. This is the mains, and then the output from here comes to the energy meter and through the output. So when I power on, the system comes up, and this is the Variac, and this is a 234 volts. I can reduce to 180, and this goes up to 65 volts. I think after 46 volts it stops. So I did not do the modification as mentioned by somebody on the digital watt meter because I don't want to lose the warranty. So this is good enough for me. I start working from 110. Of course, if I had to have a different voltage rating to be measured, I have a new small panel meter. So this is my setup, and this is the output where I can connect my SOAR radios, and then I can manage and see how much energy it consumes or the ampere hour, all that. It's a good project. It took me 2 days to plan out. Now I had to make one cutout for the Variac to sit properly, but it's a good project altogether. Thank you.